issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bandera County, southeastern Kirk County, southwestern Kendall County until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Camp Verde, Oregon, 7 miles north of Bandera, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bandera, Camp Verde, Pike Creek, and Lake Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
No tornado watch thing. That's weird.